Lima Radio 776 and 13 Lima Radio 4000. I hear both of you pretty well. I know, from what I understood, one of them is the YouTube channel.
Yes, it's a YouTube channel. Yes, it's a name on the YouTube channel. 13LR4000. 13 Lima Radio 4000 is the name on my YouTube channel. And at this moment, I'm live streaming here from a middle of Germany on the mountain, an outdoor station in a mobile.
13 Lima Radio 4000. You are live streaming at the moment, so I'm going to see myself in YouTube if I go back in time then. A 73 here from Portugal, specifically from Tango 25.
Okay, yes, station from Portugal. You're booming here 5 to 7 to 8 and a little to 9. And the radio is a 4 and a 5 here.
Likewise, my friend, your signal is about an 878 and your radio is a 5 to me.
Okay, many thanks, and a lot of stations here on a frequency are calling, okay. Many thanks for coming, and 73 or 55.